Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by installing 3 apps: an iOS-style lock screen, a widget/clock pack, and an icon or theme pack. Once installed, open each app and grant required permissions for overlays and notifications. These let the lock replace the system one. Make sure to enable Device Administrator for secure lock features. While you set permissions, choose the wallpaper that matches iPhone aesthetics so layout spacing is correct. Now you're ready to configure the launcher and lock app settings. You now adapt layout and gestures. Inside the lock app, pick the iPhone-style theme, then position the clock, date, and quick shortcuts where iOS places them. Once done, configure swipe actions. Set bottom to top to unlock, left for camera, and right or top edge for control center. Make sure font sizes and spacing match your wallpaper grid so elements don't overlap. Finally, set notifications to condensed banners to mimic iPhone behavior and test each gesture immediately. You finish by making the lock app default. Disable the system lock or set the new app as the lock provider so your changes persist. Then test biometric unlock, PIN entry, and emergency call behavior to ensure accessibility. Also exempt the lock app from battery optimization so it stays active. If something fails, app won't show, notifications missing, or gestures unresponsive. Clear the app cache, re-grant overlay and device admin permissions, and reinstall the specific app before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.